Hey, welcome back to the Carnes Crossroads area in Summerville, South Carolina, where Linden Construction has 2 retail projects in progress. Check it out. Project manager Scott Deese survived all the rain and has the projects back on schedule. Scott's a graduate of University of South Carolina with a degree in civil engineering, and he brings high performance on demand. Hey, here's the fun part. The building now starts coming out of the ground. Good stuff, Linden Construction. Hey, we got to go now. Thanks for stopping by. Come back soon, and remember, look up. You just may see Sky Eye Images. This is Steve Kelly for Sky Eye Images. Fly well, my friends.